LIM Lasers, LIM X400 mass production line is an intelligent integrated system with uninterrupted production capabilities. While satisfying single machine production, it can also realize mass and automatic production to achieve large quantity parts printing. A central control room is used to centrally manage and control production line to build smart factories and achieve smart production. LIM X400 production line is equipped with the intelligent chamber management system, which makes it possible of automated picking up, chamber designated movement, and chamber automated installation. The LIM X400 mass production line adopts a high precision and high efficiency zero positioning system to achieve quick and reliable connection between the built-in shaft and the built-in piston. Combined with a full-line intelligent and integrated powder circulation system, a one-to-many efficient powder circulation supply system is established. The system has functions such as new powder adding, automatic powder fitting, overflow recycling, powder sieving, etc. It makes full automatic powder management, people involvement reduction, powder pollution reduction come true. The intelligent monitoring system can monitor the printing process of the device in real time, ensure the printing quality, and provide timely feedback after the equipment printing is completed. The system automatically performs confirmation and identification. Then, the system automatically removes the chamber and transports it to the pickup waiting area. The intelligent truss transfer system switches between chambers to be picked up and chambers that have been picked up. The production line is equipped with a dedicated powder cleaning and pickup station to recycle the powder in the chamber. Through the intelligent truss transfer system, the printed parts and substrates are taken out and placed into the PCE400 equipment to clean the internal powder of the parts. PCE400 equipment's dedicated ultrasonic wave and a packed hammer are combined with powder cleaning, and a powder cleaning platform can rotate at any angle to clean the powder inside without any dead ends. After cleaning, the truss system takes out parts and substrates. The whole process of automated mass production line